This presentation is a summary of the results of the Transportation Assets and Barriers workshop held in Decorah on April 5th. The presentation doesn't capture everything that was said. Rather, it features the ideas that residents most frequently expressed. You can see the assets and barriers identified by workshop participants at our website, www.communityvisioning.org. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the interactive map. Select your community and select Focus Group as the workshop type. Different user types have different needs and priorities. Older adults want access to services. Active recreationists want to be challenged while engaging in physical activity. Parents are concerned for the safety of their children. Those with mobility issues appreciate smooth surfaces and safe traffic crossing. Youth want complete sidewalks and safe crossings. We conducted focus groups with people from each of these different demographics to obtain a complete picture of the transportation system in Decorah. The following slides show some of the transportation assets and barriers identified by each group. Older adults appreciate the facilities at Luther College and the well-lit trail along the river as assets. Barriers include lack of sidewalks, especially at busy intersections. This group wants wider shoulders on Locust Road and more lighting along trails and sidewalks. Mobility impaired individuals like the taxi service but would like the hours to be expanded. They value the vibrant downtown but noted that it is difficult to bike there. They would like speed regulation and would like Main Street to be a pedestrian area. Active people appreciate all the parks in town. They consider lack of sidewalks and speeding traffic to be barriers. They would like lighting along Freeport Trail, visible bike parking, and a more cyclist, pedestrian-friendly downtown. The local trail system is an asset among parents. They consider downtown to be not bike-friendly and are concerned about their kids crossing the parking lot north of downtown. They desire safer connections for their kids as well as stormwater management throughout town. Youth enjoy all the outdoor recreation venues in Decorah, especially the swimming pool. Heavy traffic is a major barrier for this group. They would like better sidewalks and a trail from the pool to the Whippy Dip. The Visioning Steering Committee members also value outdoor recreation venues in town. They like the variety that downtown offers. Speeding traffic and unsafe intersections are considered barriers by this group. The committee wants to slow traffic, improve intersections, and provide signage for visitors. The input from various user groups will help the Decorah Visioning Committee prioritize needs and target key points in the transportation system to address in meeting those needs. Through the visioning process, the committee learns what best practices to follow to address local transportation needs. This drawing illustrates some of the elements that make the transportation system work for all types of people, such as safe crossings, accessibility, and good sidewalks. If you have questions about this presentation or about the community visioning process in Decorah, contact the members of your local visioning committee.